Hello everybody, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified first. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज के वीडियो की तरफ. So today I'm going to share how to make reusable activity sheets for our little ones. For this we will need this kind of binder file, one marker, one spray bottle, any kind of perfume, and one wipe, any kind of eraser. So let's start. What we need is this kind of binder file and this kind of sheets we will need. The plain sheets where the file sheet you can name it as. In that we can prepare this kind of different kind of worksheets like national bird, flower, animal, like this. So what exactly we have to do, we have to stick the different activities whatever you want to make, and then you just have to insert. So like this we will be giving you an option of how to make an reusable file activity sheet for your kids. So now this activity sheet which I'm sharing today is for the nursery kids. So what are the topics I have shared with you? Just have a look over there, like national birds, flowers, everything. Those things I have noted down. Second is the little ones, they should know about. Third is matching the shapes, different colors you can put, and then they have to match accordingly. Then you can name the shapes and you have to call out the names of the shapes, and then the kids have to match it accordingly. Now this is a very interesting activity, the fourth one, that is a color matching. So now apple is having red and green, so they have to match likewise. So this is a very fun activity. I have used over here only four objects. You can use as many as objects you want. Next which comes is again a very interesting one where the kid have to join not only as match with two, so they have to do it three ones. So see over here, one is green color. In between also there are the color codes which I have kept, and again on the third column there is the color codes. So this is a very fun activity and this will help the kids to enhance their thinking and obviously the fine motor skills. So this activity you can surely try out, and you must try out with your kids. And with the help of marker pen, just you have to ask the kid to match. You can rub it off later. Watch the video till the end so that you can see how exactly you can rub it off. Now the third is the different kind of find out. You can ask some few questions, what you see in the classroom, what you see in your toy room, which is the orange color over here, or who is laughing, some sort of this kind of questions you can ask. You can use any kind of stickers which is available, any old books cuttings you can use. Now you can use this kind of beginning sounds also. Now this I will recommend that we will take it off this beginning sounds in the LKG um, worksheets, which I'll share in my next video. Now here is the opposites one. So introduce the opposite one. This worksheet is must for them. Now ABCD I have used over here, the stickers I have used the ABCD stickers, and a few from the old books or from the different kind of activities worksheets whatever I'm making, from that I have cut it down, and ABCD like that they have to match it up. So like this till Z, I have taken it over here. Now next comes for matching of capital alphabets along with the small alphabets and with the photographs also. That means the photograph of the different objects, so they have to match it up according to the capital A, capital and small letter A along with this object. So this is also a very good activity. So once you have introduced capital letters and the small letters, after that also you can do, before that also you can do these activities, and this activity you do from A to Z. This the kids will enjoy. Now comes the numbers. So numbers I have been showing over here till 5 only. So first the different smileys and all you can do it, and then the matching, and then the counting. That means I here have sticked the different kind of stars. You can ask them to count and write. Now here comes is what comes next, that means the pattern activities. Now the pattern activities first I have done with the help of different colors. Now you can also do the pattern activities with the help of numbers, You can do with the help of alphabets. Also, you can do with the help of different shapes. So this worksheet you can do it accordingly. Now next which it comes is the odd one out, finding out odd one out. Like this two are the water animals, which one is a farm animal or something like that. Whatever the different odd one outs it comes to your mind, whatever is applicable for your kid, that photographs you can keep. Also you can do with the help of different colors, different shapes. Odd one out you can ask for, like you can prepare a worksheet. You can also do numbers. You can also do like B D, like this kind of confusing one, so that they can have a clear picture about those alphabets, that how exactly they it should be written, and there should not be any kind of confusions. You can also do different kind of shapes or oval, like this kind of, which I have made it over here. Now the one which I will suggest that to do it, to keep this worksheet prior, that is of the different kind of patterns. Now this worksheet I have used from her school's worksheet which I have received, the different patterns like C curve, U curve, like that kind of things. And this worksheet I have been using from Explorer box. The Explorer box link I am giving you in the button as well as in the description box. Just check out how the Explorer box activity sheet is. You will surely like this activity. So from here I am using A to Z capital letters, and also I'm using A to Z small letters tracing activities. So for Explorer box, do check out my description box. Now this is a very fun words like tooth, brush, and toothbrush, like that kind of things. Then keyboard, keyboard, like this kind of compound words. This is a very fun activity. I am sure the kids will enjoy. So try these activities. You will get some this kind of sheets in any kind of stationery shops as well. Now comes is the sight words. So sight words, different sight words I have written over here like this, and in one row I have kept it the different kind of sight words, and one sight word suppose on, and in between I have used different other sight words, and the kid have to circle up the sight word which is written on the left hand side. Like this you can prepare all this kind of sheets, and this is the file which we require. We will require that kind of file, sheets, and any A4 size sheets, and you are good to go. So I now helping you out how to rub this. So once the kid is done with the activity, if you want to rub it off right then and there, you can do it. It will easily get rubbed. By any chance, if you want that to keep those activities like that and later on to rub off, for that you have to use this kind of deo spray. And how you have to do it, with the help of markers, I'll share it up now. One this site with the help of this deo spray, what you do is, suppose this one I want to rub it off. So what you need is any kind of old cloth, you also you can use it. Spray some deo over the marks, and then like this you rub it off. So I hope you have liked today's video. We'll meet up in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. And next video I'll be sharing with you what are the nursery syllabus for your kids. So stay with us.